Hello guys, and welcome back to another tutorial. Today, I'll show you how to improve your articulation. Firstly, listen to yourself speak. Record your speech and identify areas of improvement like pronunciation and filler words. Seek feedback from friends or family. 2. Check your speed. Aim for a conversational rate at 120 or 150 words per minute. Use your recordings to adjust your pace for clarity. 3. Watch for unnecessary words. Eliminate filler words like and like to maintain confidence and engagement. 4. Use pauses effectively. Strategically place pauses to emphasize points and allow your audience to digest information. 5. Practice pronunciation. Focus on difficult words, emphasizing the correct syllables and ensure clear endings, especially with tricky sounds. And finally, warm up your voice. Engage in vocal exercises to loosen up your vocal cords and improve clarity. And that's it, guys, as simple as that. And your articulation will be on sky. Thank you for watching, and please don't forget to like and subscribe for more.